Feeling our feelings is one of the most powerful things we can do for ourselves. It helps us to understand ourselves, our environment, and navigate accordingly. When we deny, ignore, and minimize our feelings, they tend to get more intense and last longer than they otherwise would. It's sort of like a fire alarm. If we ignore it long enough, it's going to demand our attention. Think of your feelings as a built-in radar system. They guide us through our environment, whether in our personal lives or work life. It helps us navigate and understand our world better. Feelings also let us know if our needs are being met. Are we feeling connected, accepted, secure, or understood? They give us clues about what we need more or less of in our lives. Often, our feelings are a call to action. They motivate us to stand up for ourselves, reach out for support, or make necessary changes in our lives. Think of your feelings as a good friend, pointing out something important. They highlight areas we need to pay attention to for our own well-being. Feelings are crucial for our survival, enhancing our social interactions, helping us to connect with others, and aiding in our healing and growth throughout our lives. So let's honor our feelings, learn from them, and use them to lead our best lives. Remember, acknowledging and appreciating our feelings is a powerful act of self-care. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about how to live your most authentic life. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and in particular, how do you honor your feelings? Take good care.